Okay, so guys, some of you are not sure how my recording system works. So they're not sure, whether it's for year one or whether it's your year two topic that I'm going through. Okay, so let me just very quickly show you. It is a very simple system. Hopefully I'll show you. And all right, so the way it works is this. When you see my sort of videos, what you'll notice is that each of these thumbnails, they've got different colors. So if they have blue background, that means it's inorganic. If they have a red background, that means it's organic. And if they have green background, that means it's physical. So it's as simple as that. In terms of whether it's for year one or year two, remember, exams aren't set as year ones or year twos. They are set as AS level exams, which a lot of institutions now, I don't think they do. But anyway, so they are either set as AS exams or A-level exams. So the way I've labeled it, so I've named these walkthroughs accordingly. So for example, if you notice A-level chemistry, so for example, I've said A-level chemistry, that means this only applies to year two. So in other words, full A-level. So they'll need it, okay? Not year one. But if I've labeled it AS A-level, that means you will need it for year one, yeah, and you will need it for obviously for year two. Okay, so just in case you are sitting sort of an AS exam, that means you will need this walkthrough. Okay, same thing here. But anywhere where I've just said A-level chemistry only, then you only need it so for year two. Okay, you will not need it for AS exam. Okay, so year one equals AS and year two equals A-level, but remember year twos will also need AS as well. So year twos equals AS and A-level. Okay, in other words, year twos need everything. Okay, and year ones only need AS. All right, so just to reiterate, year one equals AS, year two equals everything. All right, and of course, the background of the thumbnails will tell you whether it's a physical chemistry question or organic chemistry question or inorganic chemistry question. All right, now this particular, the dark red thumbnails, anytime I have that, it just means it's nothing to do with chemistry, it's something else. So it could be that I've just said something about introduction. So for example, like this video or this, a video that I've got here now that I'm speaking about, I'm going to have it dark red. Okay, so it's nothing to do with the content of chemistry. Okay, this dark red, cacao, masala, almonds, so can you see that it's just a recipe that I've given you, so it's nothing to do with chemistry, hence the dark red. But if it's that red or that blue or that green, that means it is chemistry content. Of course, you can see all of this in my playlist. So if you go into playlists, for example, you'll notice that the playlists are labeled accordingly. So there's your A-level, okay, inorganic chemistry. And again, can you see inorganic? All the background is blue. AS level, so that's year one, chemistry, that's organic, and that's all red. And AS level physical, green. A-level physical, green. Once again, A-level, you'll need everything. So not only just A-level, but also AS. Remember, A-levels, you will be tested on both years. Okay, so you need everything. And the ASs will only need to deal with AS level walkthroughs. Okay, so these and these. Okay, I hope that's clear. But if it isn't, please, ask me in the comments below, and I'll see, if I can explain further. All right. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.